the 2021 Toyota Tundra TRD PRO. That's a long name right here. What's up everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm going to do a little review. It's been a few weeks since we bought this truck. I'm going to say all the things that happened to it. Is it still worth it, or is it good enough, and things like that. And one thing, just so you know, we didn't go off-road yet, but if we do, I will make a video about it. So we can see the paint is still everything good, no scratches, nothing. It's a little dirty because we went to North Carolina to Maryland probably 2 times or 4. And we went to South Carolina, and then yeah, it's basically a long trip, and probably it has almost 2,000 miles. But when it's driving in a long trip, like a 4-hour trip, to be honest, I like the trip. It feels very comfortable, and the best thing about this truck is the V8 sound. So you can see it's a V8 right here, the whole big V8 right here. Wow, I mean, to be honest, the sound of the V8, whoo, that's the best sound that you can hear, for real. Unless you buy a V10 car, which sounds better. But a V8, whew, that sounds better than how much my Honda Accord has. I think it's less than V6, V4. Okay, V4. Okay, yeah. But yeah, the V8 is right here. No idea if this real, if this useful. I have no idea. But yeah. But I like the V8 sound in the highway, in the street, everywhere, even when it's starting up and everything. It just sounds very nice. One thing that I don't like about this truck, they say this truck has a lot of gas and things like that. So they will come right here, they will just open it, and it has no lock, nothing, no lock, nothing. And they can just steal the gas right here, and that's it. Very simple. And that's one thing I hate. My other car, the 2 cars, has a lock, so to open this thing you have to press something right there, and then it will just open. But this one, you can just open it like this, and then you can just steal gas. That's very easy. So a good thing that I like about this truck is the color. Even you will get some reaction from people, basically my neighbor said that he liked the color, and congratulations, things like that, right? Because I mean, I never seen this color before until we bought this truck, but people like this color, the design. And what I like most about this truck is the chrome. It doesn't have chrome. See, it's all black, black, black. I just like no chrome for some reason. Some color combined with chrome, but a blue color can combine with chrome. My Toyota, the red one, combines with chrome. But this one, I like the combination of the colors, black and lunar rock, and sometimes red because it's a TRD, right? But I just like the color a lot. We were about to buy a white color, but we prefer this one because we never seen a color like this, and you can't even see it in the street. But you will get some reaction, very good. Some people will say nice truck and things like that. Another thing that was very useful was this. So this window can roll down and everything like that, right? That's what I like a lot about this truck, that it was very useful and things like that. Once we put a wood, like the wood went right here all the way across inside the seat, and because of that we roll down the window and we have all this full of wood. And actually it's like I like it, to be honest. It's the best feature of this truck is the window that can roll down like this. And most truck you see something in the middle, you can just do it with your hands to roll it down, but you will need your driver to roll it down. It's in the driver's side, the button. So we're inside this, so you can see the light right here. Very nice, right? I like about this because the sunroof is very huge. And another thing that is good, the technology right here. You use future technology, not the best one, but good technology. Another thing, I don't know if it has or not, but the CD player. Where is the CD player? There's no CD player, or I don't see one. But comment down below if you have a Tundra, because I have no idea where's the CD player. There's no CD player, like to put a CD, right? And because most truck has a CD player, but this one doesn't. Weird. And I just like the design and everything. Still clean and everything because we haven't used it a lot. It has like about 2,000 miles almost. And steering wheel is okay, but sometimes this is annoying. But yeah, everything's fine and everything. We still even have this sticker right here. We didn't even take it off. Let's see how much it will last. It could probably last a year, but. And one thing, the material is kind of like sensitive, like the seat. So that's why we have this towel right here. So we can put our arm right here. And sometimes if you put the arm right here, even when it's sweating, it will make a little mark right here. And I don't like it. It's very ugly. So we have this thing we can put it right here. And that's why I recommend you having a towel right here, unless you're charging your wireless phone right here. But yeah, it's very good. Just for the good of the truck, just put your hand, put the towel and put your hand right here. And yeah, basically it has all this control. And there's that window thing. Where's this window thing? And to be honest, the leg space, whoo, that's the best leg space ever. It's better than SUV. Like, look at this. And right here, you get, my leg will just go right here. In the back, you have more room. Like, that's a very good truck for the room. And another thing I noticed is the audio system. The audio system is very bad. Like, it's not that loud and things like that. So I will find a company or something like that, so they can install a louder audio system. So this loud audio system will be very loud, louder than the stock one. But because this one, the stock audio system, doesn't even sound a lot. I mean, it will sound for some people, but for me, it doesn't sound too much. Whoo, yeah, and the GPS, to be honest, the best GPS ever in this truck. So yeah, and I like the sensor. Like when you cross the yellow line or the white line in the street, they will just do beep beep beep. And when you go close to a moving car, it will just do a little alarm thing. Like I don't know, but yeah, it's, to be honest, it's a good technology truck and everything like that. And yeah, that's it. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, turn on notification bell on, and thanks for watching. Goodbye. I don't know if you remember in a different video that all this corn was like about this tall. Now they're super tall like this, almost to the roof. But those plants are very big. Last year it was like probably here. Now it's like up there. And you can see that corn right there. There's a lot of corn. Right, Luna? Yeah, Luna. Okay. So yeah, you can see all the corn. There's a lot right there. And oh my goodness, look at this peach right there. Right now it's still hard. I need to wait like a few days, and then those peach will be like very soft, and then we can just pick it up and eat it. There's about 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 peaches in this one tree. Next year it will be more, but yeah. So here's the pool pump. It's a update of the pool right here. You can see it's all full. So yeah, the pool pump is running. It's working very well. It's a sand pool pump. So just so you know. And look at this.